My name is Mitch Perry. I'm the operations manager at the Morristown Neighborhood House in Morristown, New Jersey. When we are full, we serve over 140 before and after school children and over 110 preschool children. Since the pandemic, we were forced to close for 2.5 months, and we have since reopened with a limited census and a shortened day, just running a 6-hour day with approximately 60 children overall. We connected with Sterile Space prior to the pandemic, but as a result of what had happened, we had scheduled them to do a deep clean and a spraying of a biochemical to retard germs throughout our building. It turns out that many of our contents, including desks, chairs, toys, had never been deep cleaned to the level that it needed to be. When that was pointed out, we realized this was something that needed to be done, particularly in the environment that we were now thrust into. So over the course of a weekend, Sterile Space came in with a full team, mobile unit, and deep cleaned our contents, deep cleaned just about everything that could move, and then applied the antibacterial spray throughout the building. The building not only felt cleaner, it clearly was cleaner, and we saw colors on items that we hadn't seen for years. When we went back into the building and looked at the rooms and the contents, we were absolutely amazed. Little things like underneath a plastic chair, the color of the chair was the same color underneath as it was on top. That was not the case before. We felt very heartened that we got a level of clean that we didn't know that we really needed. And it ultimately gave us a peace of mind that we had done the right thing and that our building now was truly clean enough that we felt comfortable with the children being amongst all of these rooms and contents.